Hi guys, this is Jay from Ashworth Group. We're in Barking today. On my left hand side you've got the original Sikh temple. On my right hand side you've got the new Sikh temple which launches in April 2021. We have been given the privilege to do a deep sanitising clean in this place before it launches in April. Come with me and let's check this place out. So, as you can see, we're inside. Right now, we're doing the snagging stage clean, which is stage 1. We've got 3 stages to go. Right now, we're getting all the bathrooms done, getting all the windows cleaned, getting ready for the snagging to take place. Once that's done, we come in and do the final clean. You have to see this place when it's finished.